In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix microphone picking up background noise. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, fixing background noise is much easier thanks to AI-powered voice isolation now directly built into Windows 11. So if you have a modern PC, especially those with an NPU, Windows can now strip out noise at the system level. So what you want to do is right-click on your Windows icon and then go over to Settings, and then just go over to System. Then once you're here, go over to sound, which is the second option. And then once you're here, just go over to input and click on your active microphone. Then once you've done that, look for voice focus or AI noise cancellation. You can even change the format if you want to. If you get either of those different things, you're basically going to be able to if you lower the gain, ensure your input volume isn't at 100%, as dropping it to 70 to 80% often stops the mic from being sensitive enough to hear distant fans or traffic as well. There's also certain applications that you're going to be able to get if you ever want to go ahead and do that, and you can get something like NVIDIA Broadcast. However, your graphics card needs to be an RTX graphics card as well. Now, if you're using something on like Discord, what you could do is go over to settings, scroll down to voice and video, and you can enable voice isolation if you want that. And you can also have noise suppression as well if you want that too. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel too, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.